Hello everyone, welcome to CTL Truck Sales in Phoenix, Arizona. CTL Truck Sales has been in business continuously for 36 years. Our website, if you want to see all of our inventory, is ctltrucksales.com. That's Charlie, Tom, Larry, ctltrucksales.com. Today I'm going to be showing you stock number 3241. This is a 1993 International box truck. It has 180,000 miles on it, 180324 to be exact. An Allison automatic transmission, International, the 210 horsepower DT 466 engine that sounds real strong. Spring suspension. The box is 26 feet long by 96 wide. It has spring suspension. Inside the box you've got wooden slats, an E-track to secure your load, and you've got a 3,000 pound Maxxon rail lift on the back lift gate, which is operational, and I'll show you that. Now we're going to possibly do a little touch up. At my advertised price, this truck all in all is in nice shape. There's a few flaws in it. The hood has a couple of holes in it that we will patch up. The rest of the hood's in good shape. Driver's door's in good shape. Side of the box on the driver's side, pretty good shape. There was a couple spots that were patched at one point. We didn't do this. Here's a look at your tread on the rear axle, driver's side. Now, at our advertised price, we'll fix those holes in the hood, as well as we'll paint the back door. If you want to skip those repairs, I'll knock $500 off the price. There's your lift gate. 4,000 pound Maxxon rail lift. Works properly. Now I'll show you the inside of the box. Box is again 26 foot long by 96 inches wide. And has quite a bit of quite a few rows of E-track and wooden slats to secure your load. Floor's in good shape. Translucent roof. There was a patch right there. There's a patch to it at one point. Here's another look at the passenger side of the box. The tread. Passenger side rear axle. The gross vehicle weight rating of this truck is 32,900 pounds, which means it requires a commercial driver's license. I'm going to open up the engine compartment so you can see the engine, and I'll start it up so you can hear it. There's the tread on your passenger side steer tire. Look at this 210 horse DT 466 engine. There's the tread on your driver's side steer. Look at the engine on the driver's side. Pretty dry. Now I'm going to climb up in the cab now. Start the truck up for you. I'll set the phone down for just a second here. Fires right up. There's your odometer, 180324. Truck has air brakes. Again, an Allison automatic transmission. The dash, this truck's still a little dirty. We can clean it up for you. Headliner's in good shape. Now I'm going to up the RPMs a little. You can see when I do that, that wheel does not shake. This is a good, strong engine. .210 horsepower DT 466. This truck's ready to go to work. Thanks for watching my video today. My name is Kurt. You can reach me directly at 602-487-4777.